Well, as you can see, I cleaned all the dead ones except this one. Yes, let's yank it out. All the dead leaves, stems, I cut them out. I still left a few of them. So then I cut this one, as you can see right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's they're growing in the bottom, so I'm gonna leave it there. But I cut the top because I know that top is gonna die. So they just stay a while until the plant gets roots and then it's on its own. So look how much I got right there, and I'm gonna plant them, and I'm gonna show you how you plant these. Okay, I'm using an old spoon that I use for for this little simple things, because I got one of those shovels, but they're too big. Okay, let's take this one, and we're gonna plant it right in there. I left some stems so I could like kind of grab it and pinch it in there. So I think you're seeing, right? Yeah. I get so involved that I forget that I have to focus on the camera. There goes one. Let's see this one. Look how beautiful. Let's put this one somewhere here. This one has, and this little stem has two. So I'm gonna put in this area. What's good about this one, this canister, is that it has a bottom where the water stay, when you wet it, the water stays there, so it doesn't hardly ever dry down. And when I do see it dries, I give it a real good watering. Oops, I put it too big. A real good watering, and they last for days. Right now I haven't given any watering, but I'm gonna give it a little bit, because they don't have no roots, so they could start rooting. Okay, so that's how you basically put it on. What's this that I got? I got a root with nothing in it. Okay, let's put it out there. Maybe it'll grow something. And you clean out as you go. Here I'm gonna put something here to hold it down. And I found one that was rooting. Let me see if I could find it. This one is dead. That's dead. I got more dead than lives. Okay, so I can't find it. So let's just keep on. As I do. Oh, wait a minute. Let me leave it here. It came with the spoon. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, so as we do this is the part you do. You put it in there. Try to stick it in there so the roots could go. Firm it down so the roots could start growing. Okay, so let me just finish and I'll show you how it came out. Okay, as you see, I spread them around. These little ones, some of them are underground. I left the little tiny ones underground. They should grow up pretty soon. This one, they are very small still, but this one I have to bury it. It's still light. Okay. And and this one I still gotta bury that one. I forgot to bury that one. I'm trying to find spaces, but let me see what I could do. So anyway, I'll be planting this one. I'll probably just open it right here and leave it right there. Since the space is, you can't notice, but right here, I got a stick. Over here, there's sticks. Over here, there's sticks. Over there, everywhere there's a stick. A little piece of stick which has flowers. So I gotta bury this one and these rest. And the other thing that I want to show you, hold on. Okay, I want to show you, they're starting to perk up with the heat. As you can see, they're starting to look good. This one and this one is a little yellowish. I don't know if these are recaos, and that's why they're a little yellow, or I didn't put too much water on it. Because this area gets a lot of sun, and I water it before, because I was supposed to water it yesterday. I noticed it was dry yesterday, but I didn't water it because I forgot. So then I want to show you something. This is the first one that came out of seed a long time ago. Like I think like 5 months, no less, 3 months ago. Now I have this one, the second one, this one, the third one, and I have one coming out. I don't know if you can see it right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's very small. And I have another one coming out. Hold on. Where is it? I lost it somewhere here. Okay. Hold on. Let me find it. Okay, I got it. It's just so small. Okay, right there. Let me see if I could. I gotta find my finger. Okay, right there. Right there, this one. I don't know if it, if it's caught in camera, but there's one there, and there's one here, growing. They're growing very close to the plant, which is very good, because the ones that are growing like outside, not under the plant, when I water them, they go flying out. So the plant holds it, because I just water from top. So the plant, with their leaf, protects it. Maybe that's why they grow together. Some of them don't. Some of them grow far away from each other. So this one and this one, I had to take it out of place because it was like under these plants, and I took it out, and now I planted it here. Why here? Because the sun don't hit that much. So maybe that protects it. Over there, the sun hits a lot, and I noticed I lost one that was here, and this one looks yellowish. So I don't know, these are, I think, culantro, because they look real green. This one too. I know that one is good. This one is culantro. So as they grow, I'm gonna keep pushing it on the side. Another thing that I want to say, people have asked me, if I could send them seeds. I would love to, but I can't. Right now, how you call it? The hurricane is on. We're in the time of the hurricane. I have to get prepared. I still haven't recuperated from the other hurricane because we didn't get help, so we had to waste a lot of money. So that's why I bet maybe next year, later on, depending what happens in this hurricane, then I'll probably send some seeds to whoever wants. For now, I just can't. So I hope you understand. But like I said, if you could get them in the store and you could find that tender bottom that it has, like a little, it's like a little hard stuff that it has under it, you could just plant it and you got instant corianders. So just wanted to say sorry. But this is all for now. Oh, and all my, how you call it, all that aloe vera that I had, I virtually gave away a whole bunch of them. Yesterday I gave like 4 of them. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.